The medical direction icon is used to request a physician to call the EMS crew for online medical direction. See your local protocols for circumstances that require EMS to obtain online medical direction. Here's how it works. First, click the icon. Then, fill out the form. You'll notice that the form requires you to input all areas highlighted in red and are all self-explanatory. Select your EMS unit number, which is customized to your EMS agency. Then, input the patient age and gender. Although not mandatory, EMS can include additional free text notes here. It may be beneficial to provide a brief description to provide context to the hospital regarding why you need online medical direction. This might include something like approval to administer a medication, for example. Whatever you input, keep it simple. Once you've completed the form, hit Attach in the upper right corner. Then you'll be prompted to select the hospital that you're requesting contact. Select the destination and hit Next. Prior to sending, review the summary. Although not required, you can add text to the body of the notification. The eBridge application also allows EMS to send audio, video, or pictures along with the notification to help the physician best serve the EMS crew and the patient. Once you've reviewed your summary, hit Send and wait for a call from the hospital via the eBridge application. The hospital will receive and review the notification form and any notes or attachments. Then the hospital will contact the EMS crew via the eBridge application and take a report from EMS. Once communication is established, give your report and make your request for online medical direction clear, concise, and obvious to the physician.